Today I had a special request from Daniela to make a Heartstopper leaf. For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So it's a very stylized leaf. I'll start with the center part and just curve it out a little bit, and then we're just going to bend one. I'll curve it out with the round pliers, and then I'm going to make a sharp bend like that, as sharp as you can. You might have to bend it a couple of times, and then bend this down, curve it out a bit more, give that a sharp bend again, curve it out a bit, and then another sharp bend that way, curve it up, and then another sharp bend here. And if you need it sharper, just back and forth a little bit, but try not to snap it. And then we're just going to curve this one out, bring this one in, give it a pinch so it looks like a stylized leaf, and then you're going to get the marker or ring cone, bring this all the way around, and at the size you want, you can make it adjustable and leave that a little longer, or you can take your flat pliers, hold it, and just bring this one back and forth to snap off the end. If you need to curve this out a little more, go ahead, and you can wiggle that around. And there you have your Heartstopper leaf ring. If you want to do one with 4 sides, just start again with the initial bend in the middle, curve this one out a bit, give it a sharp bend, bring it in, do another sharp bend, curve this around, give that a good little pinch, bring this one around, bend it again. You could curve it or just leave it straight, bend it back, bend that one out, curve it around, and then another sharp bend and bring that one up. So now we just want to wiggle this down a bit because we want this line to kind of connect down there. If you need it longer, just pull it back and bend it down again to make it a little bit longer. Just this as you need. Bring this one in so it connects at the top. And then at this point you want to bend it straight out. Push this so it sits flush there. And then take your ring cone or your marker, bring it all the way around. You can curve the end in to follow the curve of your finger. And then we're going to take this and just bend it in a little bit. We want that to sit right in there. And there you have your Heartstopper ring with the 4 sides. If you want to make sharper corners, you can just hold this with your flat pliers and bend it upon itself and give it a pinch. Hold it like that and curve it out. Take this and bend it down sharply, bend this out, and then bend it to the back. Just alternate the direction you bend the wire. Hold this and curve it out. Hold it with the flat pliers again, give it a sharp bend, curve it out, and now bend this one to the front. Give it a pinch, hold it, curve it out, bend it straight out, and put it around the ring cone or the marker. And now we need to curve out this end. So just take it and curve it out, wiggle this around, push that in a bit, bend this a bit if you want it to kind of hang down a bit, and there you have another version of the ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.